It's Thursday, April 20th, just following up on Netflix again. Exited the entire position here at 330.58. So I bought the stock 326.30, scaled out to set up a no-risk trade 327.85, scaled out at the next target at 329.20, and now exited the position at the final target, at least at the moment, at 330.58. It could still go higher, but that's fine. It's a good base hit trade. So you can see here on Netflix, after that strong move to start up, the consolidation, this is what you want to see on a typical secondary move, either an orderly pullback that then gets green and work towards the high of the day, or, you know, a choppy pullback that takes out some stops and then reverses. In this case, it was kind of a combination of both a little bit. But anyway, bought the stock here, scaled out here to set up a no-risk trade when it was reaching its first pivot, exited here at the first target, you know, the intraday high, and then up here where I just exited at 330.58. This is kind of filling in this gap on the daily chart, the low here, that bar. Now, can it continue higher on the day? You know, it certainly can, and quite frankly, it looks like it might want to, but that's fine. You know, the big move of the day would have been to buy here on bar number 2 if you wanted to be aggressive. That was kind of above the midpoint of the prior day and started strong. That would have targeted, you know, the prior day high. Then once you had the 2-up day, you kind of had the opportunity to ride it for a secondary move. But either way, good trading today on Netflix, just going with price action. And the big context, like I discussed, was that on the weekly chart, it kind of came down and took out a key level here to set up, you know, some exhaustion risk on the downside and take out some liquidity down here before reversing. And you can sense that reversing was happening yesterday. And then today was the, you know, the good actionable signal to the upside, given both, you know, the gap here that was looking to fill and opening price action that started strong from the beginning. So good trade on Netflix. Let's see, maybe it's just one push up, 2 pushes up, and that's it for the day. Maybe it pauses and continues even higher towards our next targets up here, which would be, you know, in the 337 area. And, you know, we'll see how the week closes. If you get a strong hammer bar, maybe we'll follow through into next week to the upside as well. So I still like the overall uptrend on Netflix in play. Let's look at the monthly chart just to make sure. It's kind of, well, we took out the highs of that previous month. So yeah, we're in a 2-up mode that really by the end of the month can head all the way up to this green line until proven otherwise. So you've always had the upside continuity until that yellow line was taken out to the downside. So even though we're kind of chopping around in here, that as it turns out, it looks like that downside gap is an opportunity to buy. And certainly you're getting the follow through today. And let's see if that continues in the days and, you know, ahead for the rest of the month.